What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I will be doing a live trading session, live analysis and live discussion that we do every trading day. Now, as you know that today is Thursday, very important day, as quite a few high impact news already released and there will be quite a few coming up. So in this important day, let's see how the market is doing. Now before I begin this session, guys, give a big thumbs up, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin today's session, starting with, we'll be looking first of all at gold. Now gold, firstly, if we look at the daily perspective on gold, what we see that gold in fact has created a very strong bearish price action. As you can see on the daily time frame, we have seen a narrow doji, and as soon as market opened today with a gap, gold has given this strong drop to the downside. Now what I think that gold likely to continue to drop further, and as you can see there is a daily 20 EMA coming up on gold, and from this level we could potentially see a rejection to the upside. Now if we look at, let's say, monthly perspective to see the bigger picture on gold, what we see that on the monthly time frame, gold has created this long bullish candle. Now this bullish candle in fact significantly important because previous months we have seen that gold has created this long bullish engulfer, followed by this month what we have seen that gold has created this another bullish candle. Now this month the price already has broken back to back to monthly resistance and then has come back down to this level of support zone. Now this is the monthly level of support, as you can see, very important monthly level of support, and from that support what we can expect gold to have another push to the upside. Now I will be really happy to open a buy position if gold touch this level and create an overextended market. Now if we look at the weekly perspective, as you can see, weekly price action did exactly we expected in our forex forecast. First the price has dropped and then has gone up and then now coming back down. Still one day to go. What we could see, I think that after testing this level we might see that gold is having another bounce to the upside. Now if I look at the daily time frame, what we see that on the daily perspective, gold is highly bullish as well. As you see that this is the daily 20 EMA. Okay, now with that daily 20 period moving average, what we see that gold has just touched this level, still didn't touch it 20 EMA, but started to rise up. Now as you see this doji, this green candle on the daily perspective, gold in fact has created this bullish candle. Now with that in mind, what we can expect now, gold to have a full bounce from this support zone, and as soon as we will see gold is coming back to this level of support on the lower time frame, we will be considering going long. As you can see, gold after this long consolidation in this level has strongly breakdown when this doji was forming. This is what expected in our from this live session. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that session. Now at this point you can see this is a very important level, and also at the same time if we look at this here, what we are seeing that in fact this previous support zone which is turning resistance. Now this is the resistance here, okay, resistance here, support here, support here, so support and resistance together, and also there is a support here. Now with that level we can expect gold to continue to drop to the downside. So let's see what happened and then we'll jump on a trade as soon as we'll find suitable entry opportunity. Guys, in the meantime, don't hesitate to use the live chat if you have any question to ask. We'll Nasdaq rise. Okay, we'll look at it. Maldel, thank you very much. Mohana, thumbs up guys, thumbs up Mohana, thank you very much, good to see you. Keyboard, good morning. Boss from Costa Rica, good morning, thank you, good evening, that's awesome. Can I close USD CAD buy position? I am at buy level at 1.355. Pankaj, USD CAD buy. why you are closing buy position. Looks like that bullish. Let me look at daily. USD CAD created a nice looking bullish price action, guys. I don't know, it's your strategy, but we might see a little bit of rejection from this resistance level, but what I would say that USD CAD so far is bullish. If you look at the intraday perspective on the 4-hour time frame, we see that USD CAD in fact is a bullish price action. So if we look at daily, we see that after the previous days, this long doji, okay, we have seen that USD CAD has strongly bounced to the upside. Now this is a level what we can see. This is the previous resistance zone. Okay, so highly likely that the price may go ahead and test this level on USD CAD, and I will be waiting for a potential very bullish setup on USD CAD after retracement. Now if you closely look at on the 4-hour, we see that USD CAD already created a structure which is bullish. Okay, so you can see this is an inverted head and shoulder, and now is going up. But at this point, this is what exactly, in fact, if you remember the weekly forex forecast, I have mentioned that USD CAD might move in a sideway. Now after testing this previous resistance turning support here, we see that USD CAD is now rising and moving in a sideway market. So what we can expect on USD CAD for this price to go in between this support and resistance. Now if you closely look at what we see, that this price action, this is the resistance level, and I think that the price highly likely will go ahead and test this level, so which can give us in fact a good trading opportunity. But for me, USD CAD, as you know, that dollar is going up and down, and USD CAD also going up, and so finally the price is basically moving in a sideway. Instead, I'll be really happy to open a position something like gold. Okay, now you can see that gold, if you look at the daily, the price action is in a very, very important level, and I will be really happy to open a buy position on gold from this level once I will find a suitable entry opportunity. First we need to see the price settled, and then we'll jump on a trade. If I'm not live, definitely if you are in our VIP Telegram channel, in our VIP course, then definitely I will be sending the trade alert, guys. If you want to trade this gold and all other instrument that we are trading in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, I will invite you visit the link in the description area. Join us to become an independent, professional, profitable trader. So looking at other pairs, let's look at NASDAQ. Now NASDAQ, what you see that this is looking at, first of all, daily perspective on NASDAQ. What I see that NASDAQ, as you can see, this is in fact currently moving in a side. First, let's look at bigger picture. Looking at the monthly on NASDAQ, okay, what I see that on the monthly perspective, NASDAQ is currently, after testing this resistance level, the price now coming back down. So this is the monthly price action. Okay, after the monthly resistance zone here, what we see that NASDAQ has come back down. Now the question was from you, one of you, that is NASDAQ is rising. I think that NASDAQ may continue to rise, because if gold rise, okay, dollar drops, then NASDAQ is likely to go up. Now looking at weekly perspective, now looking at the weekly, guys, you see that this is the weekly candle which is almost forming a shooting star on NASDAQ. Now with that candle, okay, what I'm expecting on NASDAQ, the price to drop little bit and then to continue to rise to the upside. So if we look at daily, okay, what we see that on the daily perspective, this is the daily time frame on NASDAQ. Now we see the price, first of all, you see this is a long wick candle. This is a very, very long wick candle on the daily perspective on NASDAQ. The price grabbed liquidity from the top and then the price started to drop to the downside. Now what we see that from that zone, there is one daily doji. Now today also the price is rejecting to the downside. Now where we can find suitable entry opportunity, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, what we see that NASDAQ, this is the 4-hour, and this is the support here. Okay, so support here, support here, support here, support here, support. Now it just has come back to this level of support, and from that support we can expect NASDAQ to continue to rise. I expected in fact NASDAQ just to come back to this level, but it came further down to grab liquidity. This is what is trading, guys. Nothing is certain, though you see that sometime I say very confidently that okay, this is gonna happen, but I'll request all of you guys to take within in a skeptic mindset, because trading is all about probability. No one can give you guarantee in anything, but at the same time you need to have a confidence on your strategy and you need to have a faith. So because of that reason, you need to probably and likely you need to keep both aspect in balance, right? Doing the proper risk management and at the same time do trading properly. So the best risk management plan that I would say that always stick to low risk. Okay, keep the risk low so that you can stick to the game. This is the hardest part for most traders, including myself when I started trading, that sticking to the game really was difficult. So what I see that NASDAQ, as you can see on the daily perspective, this is the daily time frame, and we see that the price primarily has dropped to this level of support, now rejecting to the upside. But without proper bullish price action, I will not be considering creating any kind of long price action or any kind of long trade. So let's see what happened in the progression of this session. So I'm buy position on USD. Can I hold? Yeah, okay, so I think I already discussed. Thank you very much, mentor. No problem. Chinbat, thank you very much. Forex, good evening, thank you very much. What is the difference between price action and SMC? What is SMC? Price action and support and resistance, or what's that SMC? I know that price action probably you are telling in a short form, but if you just give me the elaborate name, it will be easier for me. Pankaj, thank you, no problems. Hello sir, can I hold on sell dollar yen? Yes, sell dollar yen, hold. Okay, let me look at it. I'll tell you after analysis. I'll give an idea. Can I hold gold sell position? Okay, thank you, no problems. Euro dollar, AUD USD, evening coach, Euro cat, GBP, AUD USD, please. Yeah, gold buy, no problems. Good afternoon, close, please check AUD CHF, NZD USD. Anyone in on buy Euro USD? Okay, hi coach, hope everything is fine with you. Yeah, I'm fine, Rajib. A little bit of dizziness, but now all good. Thank you very much for asking. Evaluate holding through news, no problems. No problems. Hello sir, can you please analyze US oil? Yeah, we'll look at it. So first of all, let me look at, guys, dollar yen, and then we'll look at US oil. So looking at dollar yen, Usdjpy, looking at the monthly perspective, first of all on dollar yen, what do you see that on the monthly time frame, dollar yen in fact is monthly primarily bearish. We have seen that after the previous monthly candle, this month's dollar yen started to drop. Now looking at the weekly perspective, we see that on the weekly time frame as well, dollar yen is highly bearish. Now if you closely look at what we will see that dollar yen, this is the previous support zone which is turning resistance here, and with that resistance, what we can expect dollar yen to continue to drop. So let's look at now on the daily perspective, we see that there is a strong bearish move followed by this correction here on dollar yen. Now what I think that dollar yen, after testing certain level here, okay, dollar yen may continue to drop in this direction. So if we look at the intraday perspective on the 4-hour time frame, we see that dollar yen is high, it's preparing for a bearish move. So if we draw this trend line here, okay, what we see that this is the previous resistance zone. Now what I am expecting dollar yen after testing this level to give us a clear bearish price action, then we can consider going short on dollar yen. So let's see what happened. Hi coach, please check USD CHF. Yeah, absolutely. I'm holding a buy on Euro USD and AUDSD. Absolutely, no problems. Hello coach, how are you doing today? I'm good, thank you very much. Razin, sir, please do you advise to hold a buy on GBP USD? Buy on GBPUSD. Okay, we'll look at it. How can I join your courses, coach? I'm from South Africa. Okay, so if you want to join my course, there is a link in the description area, and also there is a link at the top of this chat. You can join. Just go to the website and click join now button, and you can fill up the information and join, and that's the easiest way. Sir Gold, no problems, thank you very much. Okay, looking at okay, so let's look at in the meantime, let's look at the Forex factory calendar, what's happening in the market, and then we'll know exactly what we should do. So Forex factory calendar. Okay, so today it's still 15th of December, but it's coming 16th of December. What we see that 12:15 a.m. Euro. Okay, so there is a Euro news is coming very soon. Okay, and then 12:30 a.m. USD news is coming. All right, so tonight is going to be very volatile, especially Euro USD. And also, so this, let's look at all euro dollar to see in fact how the price is doing now. Euro dollar, if we look at first of all monthly, what we see that on the monthly perspective, euro dollar has created a bullish price action. Starting from here, there is a strong bullish candle followed by this one here, also looks like that it is also a bullish candle. Now looking at the weekly perspective, what we see that on the weekly time frame as well, euro dollar is bullish starting from here. This is an impulse correction, so every time the price was creating series of higher high and higher low. So if we look at daily, what we see that on the daily time frame also, dollar yen is pardon me, euro dollar just lost my focus. Okay, so let's jump on to monthly again. Euro dollar, we see that there is a bullish candle. On the weekly as well, there is another bullish candle. Now on the daily perspective, we see that euro dollar now currently retracing to the downside. So what we can expect on euro dollar, if we look at the 4-hour, what we can expect on euro dollar, the price to have a bounce after, as you can see, the price already has broken out of this structure completely. This is the previous resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and also support here, support here, support here. We can expect the price to come back here to test this level and then to continue to rise on euro dollar. So let's see what happened. Gold buy, we'll look at it, what's happening, then we'll see in fact how the price action is doing. Hi sir, please just check euro dollar and AUD USD. I'll look at it. Thank you coach, no problems. Yeah, no problems. Feed and yeah, look at it, no problems. Thank you. So euro dollar, in fact, a very important price action, because there is a news coming, as you know, is from 12.15. Yeah, so I think that after coming to this level, the price is likely to, you know, reject from here on euro dollar. Okay. As the news is coming at 12:15, so we still have 25 minutes to go, but we'll see what happens in that time. Okay guys, in the meantime, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, so that you don't miss out any of the update that we are releasing every day. If I look at okay guys, today is Thursday. I'm gonna end this session very soon, because probably you have heard that I just came out of hospital, a little bit of checkup, so probably I'm not fully fit today for the next later sessions, and tomorrow is coming up again. Hopefully that you guys enjoyed so far. Hopefully I will see you tomorrow again in this live session. So far, due to some health reason, I'm gonna end this session, and I really look forward to trade tomorrow again with you guys in this live session. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow, and let me know in the chat, guys, how you think. So thank you. No problems. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's just normal, but just a little bit of rest needed, and tomorrow I'll come back again to you guys. Trade well, trade safe, and also in euro dollar, make sure that guys you manage your risk when you are trading. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.